everyone, I am Ken. Today I am going to talk about my fridge. Look at it. It is brown. Let's look inside. There is three shelves on the door. We put meals on it. These two shelves and this drawer is put some vegetables inside. This is the pitaya. This pitaya is planted by us. Let's look at freezer. This freezer has nothing in it. It's only a pork. Let's look at the next freezer. There is only a chicken in it. That is all I am going to talk today. Thank you for looking.
Hello, Lila. This is a fridge in Daddy's department. It has two doors. Open the first door. There are 3 floors and 1 drawer. Open the second door. There are 3 drawers. We have watermelon, grapes, drinks, coffee, bread in the first door. We can put the ice cream in the second door. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Nick. This is my fridge. It has a single door. It has a chocolate. It has a small, cute apple. It has a orange and a pear and a watermelon and eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. It's a garlic. And it is a vegetable, and this is a chocolate, and this is a red candy. It's a tea. It's an ice cream. It's a biscuits and a 饺子. I like 饺子 very much. It has ice cream. It has a beef. It has a mantou, and this is candy.